Happy Father's Day. I want to speak about father, a father. As a community, we have defined fathers in different forms that accommodates our feelings. And it doesn't change the fact that the person is the father. As a recent or a new mom, some of the things that I've learned during the phase of my motherhood journey is that the fact that the man is not supportive or he decided to withdraw, it doesn't change that he is the father to your child. No, a child is born within a mother and a father. If he decides to withdraw, or if he decides not to support, is that it doesn't change the fact that he is a father to your child. If he decides not to be there, it doesn't change the fact that he is the father. So, fatherhood is not defined by feelings. It's something that was there before we're even there. It's something that was already made before we were there. So, our feelings do not matter or don't change the fact that they are fathers. They are not supportive, they are still fathers. They decided to withdraw, they are still fathers. And it won't take anything from you to say Happy Father's Day. Remember, you would not have the child that you have if that man wasn't there. The main fact is that he has something that contributed on your life to have that beautiful picture, mother and daughter's love, or mother's love, or I don't know how you define it. We need to, as mothers, I can say, we need to suppress our feelings and enjoy the moment or enjoy whatever that is there. I used to say to my mother, because I'm raised by a single parent, I used to say to her, if my father wasn't there, then you wouldn't have me to cherish. If he never contributed with his sperm, you wouldn't have me. So you need to cherish the fact that he gave you a child. God will never give you a burden that is beyond your own strength. I think that's what needs to be in our mentality as mothers. Some journeys are meant for us to make us strong. Some of the things that I've realized, I never thought I'm strong the way I am now. But if ever I was never in a situation or in a place that suppresses my feelings and makes me focus to this child, then I wouldn't know my capabilities. Same applies as what I used to say to my mother. God wanted you to travel this journey alone so that you can see the full or the whole you. To present deaths, thank you so much for being present. Thank you so much. Because in each and every stage, there is a lesson. If you can take life like that, there is a lesson. Don't deprive the child the access to the father because he decided to be away or decided not to be there. Take it as if that was my lesson for me to grow. That was a lesson for me to learn. That was a lesson for me to do what I'm supposed to do. Because most of the things you learned during the process. And if the father was there, you will rely on them. And most of the things you wouldn't have learned because there's someone who's supporting you. I'm not supporting the fact that they are not there, but you need to take things as they are. Yes. Happy Father's Day. It's Father's Day, we need to celebrate them. Let aside our feelings. Feelings aside, because that won't ruin what is supposed to be beautiful. Umhlaba uzilungisela umnikazi ngokwawo. If you can take that, you will go far in life. UThixo uthi masingazithwalisi umthwalo ongengowethu. We always want a revenge, which is something that we're not supposed to do. Umhlaba uzilungisela umnikazi wawo ngokwawo. Take it from me. It took me a while to understand that. I was once a child in that position. Now I am a mother and thinking like a mother. Have a good day.